Do you want to unarchive a story on Instagram? You can unarchive stories on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To unarchive a story on Instagram, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are on Instagram, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Now that you are in your Instagram profile, tap on the three-line menu at the top right corner. A new screen will appear. Scroll down and select Archive to access your archived stories. By default, the Stories archive will open, showing all your past stories. Scroll through and find the story you want to unarchive. Once you find the story, tap on it to open. Now, tap on the three-dot menu icon at the bottom of the screen. From the options available, select Share to repost it. Now, your story will open in the new story editing screen, where you can resize it, add music, and add stickers. Once you are satisfied with your story, tap on the Share button to post your old story as new.